Riders, welcome back. So we're going to be doing now a quick video. This is going to be the FTR, and what I'm going to be showing you is just basically how the Indian ride commanding heads-up display work, as well as the controls that you have on your Indian FTR. So as we're going to be able to see here, it's loading all the gauges here. It's been running like crazy, so let's give it a second here for the motorcycle to load up. But so one thing you're going to notice right off the bat is going to be, this is going to be a touch screen, so it's going to be able to easily navigate between your screens. So if you want, you have the ability to cycle through your screens over here. So if you cycle over here, this is going to be on your right hand side. You cycle and you're able to go between your screen that has all the information and between the screen that you have your settings. So you're going to be able to see in this screen, you're going to have all your gauges. You're going to have the ability to connect to your phone, to your music. You have your riding modes. You're able to select between your brightness over here, and then you have the ability as well to do your traction control. If we go to the settings, it's going to give you additional information. So you're going to be able to see, it's going to give you the total miles of the Indian FTR 1200. It's going to let you know when is the oil change due. If you go to the next one, it's going to give you different themes that you're able to select from. So we're not going to go through all of that, just so you know. So, but you know, it's going to give you auto, whatever you want to do from there. If we go to the next one, it's going to basically just set your time. One great feature about Indian is this is going to be set via GPS. So you don't have to worry about resetting the time when your battery dies or anything like that. If you have to jump it, it's always going to be automatically connected to the GPS system. Then over here, if you look, it's going to give you additional information. So it's going to let you do, it's going to show you your oil life, cylinder deactivation on and off, and it's also going to have you another screen for diagnostics. So let's go ahead and go back to our gauges. So then we go to our left, you're going to be able to see that you have your high beams. So you're going to see it's going to allow you to flash your high beams, or if you want, you put it up in place, and you're going to be able to see that it's going to show you right there once you have it locked in place. You have cruise control, so again, you turn it on and off. So as you can see, it's always going to be right here, on and off. So on, just like your car, once you're ready, you set it and then reset it or get it out. So if you want, again, besides this tab that you're going to have in your right handlebar to cycle through, you're going to have this one on your left that you're going to be able to go, basically, let's say you want to go back, same thing. So you're able to do that from there. You're going to have your turn-in signals here. You're going to have your horn. And basically over here is going to be how you cycle your engine. So right now it's in neutral. This is going to be a key ignition. So you cycle your engine from here and you turn it on. Another feature that you're going to see is you're going to have a USB display down here. So it's going to have a little spring, so it's going to go back and forth. So that's going to be great. So let's go ahead and turn it off here. So guys, that's how you work the heads-up display on the Indian FTR. So you're going to be able to see, you're going to have, this is going to be the carbon model. So you get your carbon fender, you're going to get your carbon light cover. You're going to get your carbon accents here on your tank. You're going to get your cowling, that's going to be carbon. And then you're going to get this carbon accents over here back on your fender. And you get the Akrapovic exhaust. And this one, being the FTR carbon, you're going to get all in suspension, front and back, which is going to be fully adjustable. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, give it a thumbs up so that way the algorithm knows it's good. And I will see you guys on my next video.